Joma de achiel kachiel warange jaten migao mondo Rebeka Miano mabedo chung'ne gwenge motuo mapacho ka sani ochiwo twak kotenore kod weche magoro kod ngaji mabedo kwako thoth gwenge mapacho ka.
Some of the marginal agricultural areas, further determining the already fragile food situation in most households. Unfortunately, high rates of children at risk of malnutrition have been noted in Marsabit, Mandera, Garissa, Baringo, and Isiolo counties. So my ministry, through the National Drought Management Authority, is closely monitoring the drought situation. In this regard, we are currently coordinating a multi-agency assessment of the 2023 short rain season to ascertain its impact on food security. This will inform the scale of interventions required. I thank you. But the purpose was to inform you that we are on top of things. We have the data, intervention measures, and we are doing the best we can to mitigate the effects of the drought and pivoting ourselves on long-term measures to ensure that in future we mitigate and intervene better so that we do not concentrate on just short-term measures going forward.
Waziri, nina maswali mawili. Jina langu ni Wawero Nyambura kutoka eneo hili. Labda utupe taswira ya baa la njaa katika eneo la Mlima. Manake umetaja kaunti za Meru na Nyeri. Ilhali tumekuwa tukiona viongozi wa kaunti za Tharaka Nithi, Murang'a, Nyandarua wakisema kwamba baa la njaa kule limekithiri. Swali la pili ni kuna ile paybill ambayo naibu wa rais alipewa. Kufikia sasa imeweza kuchangisha pesa ngapi za kusaidia kupigana na baa la njaa? Asante.
Yes, please.
Given us the situation in terms of the bodies of cattle moving from fair to poor, and in terms of the number of deaths reported in terms of cattle, but what about Kenyans? Other Kenyans have lost their lives in the winds.
Follow-up on this question, James Wanzala from the Student Newspaper. I'd like you to respond on the issue of livestock access program. We have seen these owners complaining about deaths, and also on the same issue on the carcass, the false smell that has been held for the carcass, which the livestock owners are complaining that it might bring some pieces of due to the smell.
And is the government planning to buy livestock from the affected countries?
Ramogi jwang' mantiere kar ka mago jofwambo koro medo mana penjo kanyo ne jatend migao mochung'ne wechego mag kuonde motuo mapacho kae, mano Rebeka Miano, mabende chiwo twak achiel kachiel ne jofwambo e ute fwambo opogore mantiere buore Nairobi. Nyaka sani gigo mosewacho kanyo ni komiti mano chung'ne rango chal mag keyo kony ne jogo mano yudo hinyruok kaluwore kod oro mapacho kae ne romo kanyo anyuola maromo 14,000 mano dwe mar 12 higa mokalo. Kowacho kanya ni sirkal mar jatend piny Kenya William Ruto oseketo motegno mano aput marango chenro mag oro mapacho kae, mano kaluwore kod aput mabende norangi moketi wacho ni manerango gigo mane timore kotel kod Peter Ndegwa kachiel kod joma moko mawuok e mano wacho ni private sector. Koro wuoyo sani oduoko penjo mamoko wawinjane.
Kiambu, Machakos, Nakuru, Murang'a, Elgeyo Marakwet, Siaya, Homa Bay, and Migori received depressed rains, and thus the environmental indicators are outside normal ranges for the wards that require immediate drought interventions. And so this time round, we have seen counties that are not ordinarily ASAL counties affected by the drought, but in specific wards. And I can give you some examples. In Kirinyaga, we have Gathigiri and Kiriti wards, and these need interventions. In Kiambu, we have wards like Kalimoni, Mugudha, Theta, Wetaithie, and others that have been affected. In Machakos, Kalama, Kola, and others. Nakuru, we have seen Gilgil, Mogotio, Hell's Gate, also affected by the drought. And Muranga, wards like Mugumo, Kanyanyaine, Ruadhia. And so this drought has affected counties that are ordinarily not considered to be arid and semi-arid. The second question from Brenda.
How much have we been able to raise from the pay bill that was given by the Deputy President?
The pay bill question is number 4 on my list. So the next question was from Brenda. I have taken you through the interventions that have been made by the government, national government, county governments, development partners, and even individual Kenyans. And therefore, we have not reported deaths. Kenyans have not died from the drought at the moment. Yes.